So do you have an Insta360? Well, if you do, then you have a dash cam for your car. Whether it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Insta360 X5. As long as you, one, remove the battery out of it, and then you can just plug it into your car, and then just go ahead and power it on, and go into road mode. So you can come here, got no battery in there. So now all we gotta do is throw it into road mode, hit record. Now we're good to go. Just gotta hook her up. So now we got her in the road mode down here, and then just record with that, and then you can go into the app. Now in the app, you go to multi-view and go to add, and then you go into car multi-view mode, then hit confirm, and then you can stretch it out as far as you want, and then hit export. Then you can choose how it looks and then export it, and you can get the front and back view from the Insta360. And as long as you just have it plugged in to external power, keep the battery out, keep it down here, and then this thing will run forever, and you don't have to ever put battery in or have to worry about this thing overheating, because both the GoPro of this and the Insta360 will overheat in no time flat if you have it plugged in and charging in your car. So this is like a little hack just to have it plugged into power, and you are good to go. So let me know if you use your GoPro or Insta360 as a dash cam. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.